And welcome back. Cricket, lovely cricket. First up, the West Indies tour of England is set to be finalised on Thursday. However, head coach of the regional team, Phil Simmons, says he's concerned about the preparation phase for the team heading into what is proposed to be a 3-test series.
Current holders of the Wisden Trophy would have to play 3 tests in 16 days, starting on July 8 against the Englishmen, as the authorities plan to play the matches at 2 venues. And while welcoming the news that the series will likely get underway, Simmons is already poised to have a touring party that could go up to 25 players.
It's a unique situation, a situation where you have to, it's tricky because you have to bring your squad, plus you have to bring back up everything, because once you come into that, for want of a better term, bubble, no one can come in at that. If you have an injury, you have to have people in there. So I think that's why it's a unique but difficult situation for selectors.
Several of the players earlier this week stepped up individual preparation for the tour, but Simmons says the COVID-19 challenges could put the bowlers at a disadvantage even with respective programs sent. Even
though they're locked away, because some other territories had lockdown very early, and even though they're locked away, they must find a room in their house or their backyard or whatever it is to do work and to keep themselves a certain level of fitness. As the places have opened up, guys are able to, some places go and run on the beach, some places go and run outside, but the training itself has been stepped up. And even now, as it opened up a little bit more, you have a few guys who can go out and bowl on a pitch somewhere just to get their rhythms back and things. So that's how we have to progress it.
In recent times, Cricket West Indies has stepped up its plans to improve the fitness levels of the region's players, and the Trinidadian added that the recent non-selection of Shimron Hetmar and Evan Lewis due to fitness reasons has sent a warning to all players.
They have to do it. They have to get to that level, and even better than that level as we go on, because it's a huge part of international cricket and cricket in itself. So I think I'm happy with how players are reacting to what has happened to the 2 players and realizing that it's something that we are taking very seriously.
The Caribbean team had beaten England 2-1 in a home test series in early 2019. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.